Here we are doing a 9-hour printing a bigger version of Arthas the Lich King helmet. It is a 2-color print, and with this smaller version there is around 60 color changes for this blue crystal in the helmet. This is around 15 centimeters total, and this one is around 20. It is a lot bigger, and there is around 80 color changes to get this blue crystal, but you need to admit it looks really nice. I'm printing with PETG. It is a super cheap filament from AliExpress. I will also leave the links down below so you can check it out. The print settings are designed to use the least filament possible, which is kind of hard because the print is not really easy to do. There is a lot of supports in the complicated spots, which with one mistake can fall down and you can lose 10-hour print really easy. Before print ends, I want to show you the settings which I use. This is a quality tab. Under strength I'm using 2 walls, infill density 10%, adaptive cubic, my favorite. I'm printing in PETG. You can see outer and inner wall speeds. Support settings are quite interesting. Always you can pause and see them better, and that is most important. I'm also using a Brim type, a mouse ear. I must say the print looks astonishing. We can see that there is no color bleeding. It is important to note that supports need to be added manually for critical parts. I'm gonna remove them now and show you how everything works. Looks a bit complicated, but I'm saving filament, trying to minimize the filament usage for supports. But overall the print looks perfect. This is side by side. The right one is total height is around 15 centimeters, and the left one is 20. And you can see how much bigger is if we compare just 5 centimeters. So overall astonishing model, and looks, oops, I don't want to drop it. From experience, these pointy things break really easily. If you ask me, a must-have print if you are a Warcraft 3 and World of Warcraft fan. Enjoy the print, consider subscribing. See ya.